Welcome to today's edition titled How to Keep Fit. Like I told you the last time, I know it's a very short video. I just want you to know that keeping fit is good business. Okay? When you keep fit, you look good and sexy. So I want to give you a tips for cutting our belly fat down. What you do, like what I do to keep fit. I think that's the word. What I do to keep fit. First of all, when I wake up in the morning, as early as 5 a.m., I sit on the floor, look for something to wedge my toes. Then I sit up for at least 20 times every morning. And in the evening, I do it 10 times. Okay, another one, then I get up, then I jump as if I'm jogging, but I'm in one place, you know. I jog for 200 times in the morning, then 100 times in the evening. It really helps and it works. As you can see me now. As you can see. So another one I also do backwards bend, you know. Stand and turn around. Take your hands, two hands up, then you use your hands to wedge on the floor. It helps also to burn belly fats. Another secret I'm going to tell you that most of you doesn't know. Okay, coffee is really very good, you know. Hot coffee, not a cold one. Hot coffee, it burns down belly fat. I have a belly fat. If you take coffee every morning, hot coffee, it burns down the belly fat. Even you can take it in the evening also, because I do it sometimes in the evening. I take coffee in the evening before bedtime. You know, it's good. It's really good. Look at my tummy. Do you like it? See how flat it is. I work out to keep fit, so I advise you to do same. Okay, so when next I come again, I'm going to show you some, I'm going to tell you about fruits and vegetables that are very good for your health also. All right? Okay. See you next time. Don't go away and keep watching me. All right? I love you all. Mwah.